Introducing the eggplant of your dreams. Black Beauty. This little seed packs a big punch when it comes to flavor and versatility in the kitchen. Are you tired of bland, boring eggplants? Say goodbye to tasteless eggplant dishes and hello to the rich, savory flavor of Black Beauty. These eggplants are the ultimate addition to any dish, whether you're grilling, roasting, or even making eggplant parmesan. When starting Black Beauty eggplant seeds indoors, it's best to sow them about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost in your area. Plant the seeds in seed starting trays or pots filled with seed starting mix. Keep the soil moist and warm, around 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Once the seedlings have grown their first set of true leaves, they can be transplanted into individual pots. When transplanting your Black Beauty seedlings into your garden, make sure to choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Eggplants require a consistent supply of moisture, so make sure to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. They also require a consistent temperature of at least 16 degrees centigrade. Black Beauty eggplants typically take around 60 to 90 days to reach maturity. Don't wait any longer to try these delicious eggplants for yourself. Black Beauty eggplants are easy to grow and perfect for any home gardener. And if you're not quite green-thumbed, don't worry, these eggplants are almost impossible to kill. So, buy a pack today and start cooking up some eggplant dishes that will make your taste buds sing. When the fruits are about half the size you want them to be, you can start to harvest them. Keep an eye out for any pests or diseases and make sure to provide support for the plants as they grow taller and heavier with fruits. With proper care, you can expect a bountiful harvest of delicious Black Beauty eggplants. So, don't wait, order your pack of Black Beauty eggplant seeds today and taste the difference.